Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide and protect your blocked chats in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also make sure to put your likes and write your friends your comments after watching. So friends, let's get to our topic. And now I will show you everything step by step. First of all, please open WhatsApp. Then when you go to the chat section and swipe down from the top, you'll be able to see if you have, for example, archived chats or blocked chats, like in my case. And it will be able to be seen by absolutely anyone that you have, for example, blocked chats. But if you would like to hide such blocked chats, it can be done very easily. To do this, friends, open the blocked chats folder. Next, as you can see, there will be a Face ID scan. And then on the top right, click Settings. And now you will need to activate the very first option, which is Hide Blocked Chats. Click on it. Next, you'll need to create a secret code. It can be absolutely anything. It can be a set of numbers or letters as you wish. After you write the code at the top right, click Next. Next, you will need to write it again. And now write Done. And now, friends, when you go to WhatsApp and swipe down from the top, you or your friends, no one will see that you have blocked chats. But how do you find them if you don't need to? For that, use search box, see just the password you came up with to hide such blocked chats. But enter it exactly. And here, as you can see, a blocked chat appears, which you can open up and look at. This is the way, friends, you can hide and protect blocked chats in WhatsApp. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments. Goodbye.